PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning provides professional commercial air duct cleaning for businesses in Swarthmore, Pennsylvania, helping improve indoor air quality, system efficiency, and workplace comfort year-round consistently. Our experienced technicians clean supply and return ducts, vents, and HVAC components using proven methods, minimizing dust buildup and odors, supporting healthier employees, smoother airflow, and dependable performance for offices, schools, medical facilities, and commercial properties throughout Swarthmore, Pennsylvania businesses. Contact us today for a free estimate. Are you looking for a commercial air duct cleaning service near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. What is commercial air duct cleaning? Commercial air duct cleaning is a professional service that removes dust, allergens, and contaminants from HVAC ducts, improving airflow, system efficiency, and indoor air quality for commercial buildings safely consistently. Why is air duct cleaning important for commercial buildings? Air duct cleaning is important for commercial buildings because it supports ventilation efficiency, reduces dust and allergens, protects health, improves airflow, lowers maintenance costs, and extends HVAC system lifespan reliably. What is the service area for your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania location? Our commercial air duct cleaning service has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Swarthmore, Media, Glen Riddle, Brookhaven, Upland, Parkside, Village Green, Lima, Chester, Eddystone, Ridley Park, Folsom, Rutledge, Glenolden, Fulcroft, Leicester, Morton, Wallingford, Moylan, and Elwyn, Pennsylvania. Where is your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania commercial air duct cleaning service office located? We are located at 630 Fairview Road, number 110, Swarthmore, Pennsylvania 19081. Our phone number is 610-424-6275. Visit our website, pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-Swarthmore.